What does an organism get from its habitat? If you were to visit Alaska, you might see a bald eagle fly by. A bald eagle is one type of organism or living thing. Different types of organisms live in different types of surroundings or environments. An organism gets food, water, shelter, and other things it needs to live, grow, and reproduce from its environment. An environment that provides the things a specific organism needs to live, grow, and reproduce is called its habitat. In a forest habitat, mushrooms grow in the damp soil, and woodpeckers build nests in tree trunks. Organisms live in different habitats because they have different requirements for survival and reproduction. Some organisms live on a prairie with its flat terrain, tall grasses, and low rainfall amounts. A prairie dog, like the one shown in Figure 1, obtains its food and shelter it needs from a prairie habitat. It could not survive on this rocky ocean shore. Likewise, the prairie would not meet the needs of a sea star. This prairie dog does not belong on the seashore. It's not equipped to swim and catch food. Prairie dogs live in the ground, so they make burrows underground. And if you've ever tried to dig a hole in sand, that hole collapses pretty easily or it fills up with water. So the prairie dog would not be able to find shelter like it normally does. And it couldn't swim around. It doesn't have it doesn't have webbed toes, webbed feet, webbed hands for it to be able to swim through the water and catch fish or catch any other type of food. It might be able to dig around and catch maybe some crabs, but it also has very soft fur, doesn't have anything to protect it from the pinch of a crab. So it's not going to be able to get food here. It's also not quite equipped to get water from this area. It could potentially go somewhere else on the island or on the land to find water. But really, this area doesn't meet the needs of a prairie dog.